Hi everyone, this is your storyteller. I'm here to narrate a story The Nightingale of India. Sarojini Naidu was a great patriot. She was a renowned poet and an orator. She was a popular heroine of the 20th century. She is fondly called the Nightingale of India. Her birthday is celebrated as National Women's Day. Sarojini was born on February 13, 1879 in Hyderabad. Her father is Dr. Agornath Chattopadhyaya and he was a scientist. Her mother is Mrs. Bharada Sundari Devi and she was a Bengali poet. Young Sarojini was a bright girl. She was tender-hearted and full of love for the motherland. Her father wished her to become a mathematician or a scientist, but she liked poetry. Once she was working out an algebra problem. She was unable to find the solution. She took a break. During the break, she wrote poems in English. Then she wrote a long poem titled The Lady of the Lake. Her father understood that she was interested in poetry. He encouraged her to write poems. She wrote poems vividly with simple ideas. Her poems could be sung easily. Her famous collections were The Bird of Time and The Broken Wings. Sarojini got married to Dr. Govind Naidu when she was a 19-year-old girl. In 1916, Sarojini Naidu met Mahatma Gandhi. She joined willingly the freedom movement and non-cooperation movement. She dedicated herself to the freedom struggle of her homeland. In 1931, she accompanied Gandhiji to England for the Round Table Conference for Indian-British Cooperation. In 1942, Sarojini Naidu took part in the freedom protest. She was arrested for her anti-British activity and put in jail for 21 months along with Gandhiji. She fought vigorously for the rights and well-being of the Indian women and she was responsible for their awakening. She was successful in re-establishing self-esteem among the Indian women. After independence, she became the governor of Uttar Pradesh and she was the first woman governor in India. She passed away on March 2, 1949. The Nightingale of India became immortal, leaving us with her poems and songs. Thanks for listening. This is your storyteller signing off. Bye.